Realme 9 Pro Plus. Best mid-range phone 2022, best battery. The Realme 9 Pro Plus is the top spec phone in the newly launched Realme 9 series, which also includes the Realme 9i and the 9 Pro. With a bold and colorful design, a 90Hz screen, and a triple camera array with an IMX766 sensor, this phone seems like a flagship killer on paper. But does the Realme 9 Pro Plus hold up under day-to-day use? Design and build. Color-changing chameleon finish on selected models. Headphone jack included. No waterproofing or dustproofing. Realme has thankfully ditched the garish slogan print on the phone seen on the 8 series and has instead opted for a much more chic and bold finish for the 9 Pro Plus. At 7.99mm thick, it's also quite a slim and lightweight device. The 9 Pro Plus comes in a few different finishes, but the hero shade is sunrise blue, which boasts a color-changing photochromic finish. When shown under normal sunlight or ultraviolet light, the back of the phone will change from red to blue, like a chameleon. Display. Bright 90Hz AMOLED screen. Decent in-display fingerprint sensor. The 9 Pro Plus boasts a 6.43 inches AMOLED display, which comes with a refresh rate of up to 90 Hz. You can opt to use it on the high refresh rate, drop down to 60 Hz or use it on auto-select to have a balance between performance and battery life. Specs and performance. MediaTek Dimensity 925G. 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. Realme has opted to use a MediaTek Dimensity 920 chip in the highest phone in the 9 series, which is the successor to the Dimensity 900. This is also seen in the Vivo V23 and is expected to appear in the Xiaomi Poco X4. This is paired with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, which is the only configuration that the phone comes in. Camera. Sony IMX766 sensor on 50MP camera. Underwhelming wide-angle and macro lenses. Mixed selfie camera. The Realme 9 Pro Plus features a triple camera setup. This is led by a 50MP main camera with a Sony IMX766 sensor, the same technology seen in the ONEPLUS Nord 2. Impressively for the price, this also includes optical image stabilization, OIS, which allows not only for smoother video, but also for much better performance in low lighting. Battery life. Fast charging is mixed. Durable battery life. Wireless charging is not supported. With a generous 4,500 mAh capacity, the Realme 9 Pro Plus has a decent battery life overall. In our battery test, the phone managed a respectable 13 hours and 23 minutes of constant video playback. Software. Realme UI 3.0. User-friendly experience. Some app bloat. The Realme 9 Pro Plus runs on Realme UI 3.0, a skin of Android 12. Whilst not pure Android, the UI is familiar for Google users, with apps laid out simply and cohesively. Like other Realme devices, there's some pre-installed app bloat, including PUBG and Booking.com. These can be uninstalled should you want a cleaner layout. Price and availability. The Realme 9 Pro Plus costs £349, though retailers are offering £50 off if you buy it before March 6th. You can buy it from Amazon and Realme. The phone is not officially on sale in the US, but you will likely be able to import it from sites such as AliExpress. Realme 9 Pro Plus. Specs. 8mm thick. Finishes: Aurora green, midnight black, sunrise blue. 6.43 inches FHD plus Super AMOLED display. 90 Hz refresh rate. MediaTek Dimensity 925G. 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. 60W fast charging. 4500 mAh battery. USB-C port. 50MP Sony IMX766 main camera, 8MP ultra-wide camera, 2MP macro camera. 16MP selfie camera. Dolby dual stereo speakers. Realme UI 3.0, based on Android 12.